The dream of operating a mobile coffee business is simple. Great coffee, a small footprint, and the freedom to operate almost anywhere. But navigating a custom build with proper plumbing, electrical, and utilities isn't simple. And so that's why we created the Kickstart Coffee Cart. At Prima, we know launching a mobile coffee business takes more than just buying equipment. It requires the right guidance, planning, and support. And that's why we've built a comprehensive stack of resources to help you start strong, including a free 5-part course, a community forum for discussions, in-depth comparison videos, and personalized one-on-one consultations, all designed with the purpose of giving you a head start to building a thriving coffee business. Check out the links in the description for more info. Kickstart is the simplest and fastest way to launch a commercial coffee cart. Instead of starting from scratch and navigating custom plumbing, electrical layouts, and fabrication, the cart arrives fully integrated and ready to run. Designed and manufactured here in Louisville, Kentucky, Kickstart is built from sealed 3/4-inch birch and pine and features a 25.5 by 57-inch work surface designed for heavy commercial equipment. It's available in both white and black finishes, giving you a clean, modern platform that can match your brand aesthetic from day one. But what really sets this cart apart is what's built inside. Kickstart includes a wall-mounted 1.5 gallon per minute pump and accumulator system, custom snap-and-go water connections, and dual dedicated power circuits with 8, 15, and 20 amp outlets. Utilities are pre-positioned and pre-drilled throughout the cart, so setup is clean, organized, and efficient. The work surface comes standard with integrated cutouts for the included knockbox, pitcher rinser, and hot and cold water sink kit, placed intentionally to support real-world single-group espresso workflow. The countertop is finished with a hardened 2K polyurethane top coat, offering outstanding resistance to water, chemicals, and stains in high volume environments. Inside, Kickstart has 2 isolated cabinets with pass-through access that keep plumbing and electrical organized while maximizing usable storage. Unlike other turnkey carts on the market, Kickstart is designed to accommodate a larger under-counter fridge, keeping more ingredients stocked with the barista for longer. The right cabinet houses our water heater and pump panel. Kickstart pulls fresh water from standard 5-gallon blue water jugs using the included pickup tube, while the drain side can be configured with a reservoir of your choice. Before we wrap up, I want to talk a little bit about branding. Prima has partnered with crafted 3D signs to offer high-quality, affordable 3D logo signage made specifically for mobile coffee businesses. You can mount one of these signs right to the front of your Kickstart cart and instantly bring your whole brand to life. Our goal with Kickstart was to replace weeks of custom fabrication with a purpose-built, turnkey commercial platform that gets you from concept to service faster. Just add your favorite coffee equipment and you're ready to serve. And that is the Kickstart Coffee Cart, the simplest and fastest way to launch a commercial coffee cart. Check it out at primacoffee.com. Happy brewing.